Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Places of the Indian Cultural Heritage. Now in the previous lecture already we have to learn about the temple of Khajuraho, Sun temple of Konark and the Brudeshwar temple. Now our next topic is Qutub Minar, which is our next topic, dear children. Qutub Minar. Today we have to learn about the Qutub Minar. Now Qutub Minar is located at the Delhi. Where the Qutub Minar is located, dear children? Qutub Minar is located at the Delhi, and Qutub Minar was built in the 12th century. In which century the Qutub Minar was built? The Qutub Minar was built in the 12th century, and the Qutub Minar is located at the Delhi. Now who built the Qutub Minar? Then Qutub Minar was built by the Qutubuddin Aibak. This is the most important question. We remember and careful. What the Qutub Minar was built by the Qutubuddin Aibak. Now, who was the founder of the Ghulam dynasty? Qutubuddin Aibak was the founder of the which dynasty? The Qutubuddin Aibak is the founder of the Ghulam dynasty. Now, after his death, the remaining work was completed by his son-in-law Iltutmish. Now, what happened there? After the death of Qutubuddin Aibak, the remaining work of the Qutub Minar was completed by his son-in-law Iltutmish. This is the 72.5 meter tall skyscraper. Now, Qutub Minar is how much? 72.5 meter tall skyscraper is made out of the round red stone and marble. The Qutub Minar is made up out of the round red stone and the marble. Its circumference, you have already learned in mathematics, circle, circumference, radius, this whole thing. What they have to say that its circumference is 13.75 meter at its base, and it's reduced to 2.75 meter at its top. Now what happened there? Its circumference, how much circumference? 13.75 meter. Its base, this is the base of 13.75 meter of circumference, and it reduced to the 2.75 meter at its top level. Now, what they have to given there? They have to given there the verses of Quran. Verses of Quran, it means Quran ni ayato have been engraved on it. Engraved, it means kotarka. Engraved on it, and it is the tallest stone minarets of the India. What they have to given there? It is the tallest stone minarets of the India. After the children, they have to given about the information of the Hampi. This town is situated on the bank of the river Tungabhadra. Where this the Hampi is located? The Hampi is situated on the bank of the river Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra of the Hospet in the Bareilly district of the Karnataka. In which state? In the Bareilly district of the Karnataka, where the Hampi is located. Hampi was the capital city of the Vijayanagar kingdom. And dear children, be careful and remember, the Hampi was the capital city of the Vijayanagar kingdom. Vijayanagar kingdom, the capital city of the Hampi. The ruler of the Vijayanagar kingdom were the lover of the arts. What happened there? The ruler of the Vijayanagar kingdom were the lover of the art. Peculiar type of the architecture was developed in the Vijayanagar during this region. The period of Krishna Dev Raya was considered to the golden period of this art. Which is the golden period of the art, dear children? The period of Krishna Dev Raya was considered to be the golden period of this art, and it reached to its the highest peak. The main feature of the architecture style of the Vijayanagar was to carve out the huge and magnificent pillar from the stone. Pillar and the column made were artistically adorned with the figure of the god, goddess, humans, animal, warrior, and the dancer. What happened, the dear children? Here, whatever the pillar as well as the columns made artistically adorned with the figure of god, goddess, human, animal, warrior, and the dancer. The Hampi Hampi, the village of the Vijayanagar kingdom during the region of the Krishna Devaraya, was the Vithala temple and Hajira temple were built beside its. What they have to given that, dear children? They have to given that in Hampi, village of the Vijayanagar kingdom during the region of the Krishna Devaraya, the Vithala temple and Hajira temple were built beside it. Same way, after they have to also given that Virupaksha. Which one? Virupaksha temple. Virupaksha temple and Achyutray temple. Which one? Virupaksha temple and Achyutray temple of which god? Of Lord Krishna are the best example of the architecture. Which are the best example of the architecture? Then they have to given that Virupaksha temple and Virupaksha temple and Achyutray temple are the of Lord Krishna are the best example of the architecture. After they have given about the Humayun's tomb. Which one? Humayun's tomb. Tomb it means Maqbara. The tomb of the Humayun at Delhi is the best specimen of the Mughal architecture. Which is the best specimen of the Mughal architecture? Humayun tomb is the best specimen of the Mughal architecture. After the death of the Humayun, what happened then? After the death of the Humayun, it was built by his wife, twin Hamida Begum. Now, who complete the work of the Humayun tomb? After the death of the Humayun, it was built by his wife. It was built by his wife, twin. What was the name of the Humayun's wife? They have to given that it was built by the Humayun's wife, twin, the Hamid Begum. This tomb was made in the Iranian style of the art. Humayun's tomb was built in which style? This was built in the Iranian style of the art. Red and white stone were skillfully used on it. Which stone were used for the Humayun's tomb? Then red and white stone. Which red and white stone were skillfully used to prepare the Humayun's tomb? Now, dear children, continuous of the Humayun's tomb. Our next topic is Fort of Agra. Agra no Killo. Now, Fort of Agra is in the Agra city of the Uttar Pradesh. Where is the Fort of the Agra, dear children? The Fort of the Agra is in the Agra city of the Uttar Pradesh. It is made up of red stone. Now, the Fort of Agra, it is the made up of the which stone? It is the made up of the red stone. Hence, it is known as a red fort. Why the Fort of Agra is known as a red fort? Because it is the made up of the red stone. That's why it is known as a red fort. It was built by the Akbar in 1565. Who built the Fort of the Agra? The Fort of the Agra was built by the Akbar in which year? In 1565. It was built by the Akbar in 1565. We can see the reflection of the Hindu and Iranian style of art in it. The fort is 70 feet tall wall with 1.5 mile circumference. What happened there? The fort has to 70 feet tall wall with the 1.5 mile circumference. Redstone are skillfully embedded in the wall in such way that no cracks can be seen on the wall. Jahangir Palace was built by the Akbar in this fort. The architecture style of Bengal and Gujarat on Jahangir Palace can be seen clearly. Shah Jahan had spent the last days of his life in this fort. What happened there? Shah Jahan had spent the last days of his life in this fort. Next, dear children, they have to given about the information of the Taj Mahal. Which information they have to given? They have to given the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located at Agra in Uttar Pradesh on the bank of the river. Where the Taj Mahal is located, dear children? The Taj Mahal is located at the Agra in UP. It is Uttar Pradesh on the bank of the river. Taj Mahal is the one of the 7 wonders of the world. Dear children, you remember already the Taj Mahal is the 7 wonders of the world. It was constructed by the Mughal king Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Queen Mumtaz Mahal. What happened that the Taj Mahal, it was constructed by the Mughal king Shah Jahan in the memories of his queen, in the memories of his wife Queen Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal died in 1630. After her death, after the death of the Mumtaz Mahal, the construction of the Taj Mahal started. The construction of the Taj Mahal started in the 1631. What happened that the construction of the Taj Mahal started in which year? In 1631, and it was completed in the 1653. Just you to remember the year. The construction of the Taj Mahal started in which year? 1631 and complete in 1653. Just you see the duration between these 2 years is near about the 22 years. It means it was completed in 1653. After the 22 year, Shah Jahan used the expert Indian sculpture beside the Iranian, Arabian, Turkish, European artisans were also engaged in the construction of the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is counted as one of the best tomb of the world. What happened that the Taj Mahal is counted as one of the best tomb of the world. Due to this tomb, the name of the Mumtaz Mahal has become the immortal. This was the innermost wish of the Shah Jahan. The building of the Taj Mahal is spread in rectangular shape. The building of the Taj Mahal is spread in which shape? In rectangular shape from the north to south. The graves of the Mumtaz lies in the center of the Taj. It is surrounded by beautiful artisan of the octagonal face carved out of the stone. A beautiful saying is inscribed in one of its arcs. The pure hearts were welcome in the garden of the paradise. The architecture of the Taj glorifies the rich heritage of the India. What happened there? The architecture of the Taj glorifies the rich heritage of India. The grandeur of the Taj attracts the thousands of the people every year for the as a tourist place. Thank you, dear children.